Imagine a chef who has read every recipe book but never cooked. An LLM works exactly like that. It trains on trillions of text tokens to generate human-quality prose, code, and analysis. It never actually understands a single thing. ChatGPT dropped in late 2022 and changed everything. LLMs went from party tricks to genuinely useful tools overnight. The hype noise drowns out exactly what they do, how they work, and where they are heading. This guide cuts straight through the noise. A large language model runs on transformer architecture. It learns to predict the next word by training on massive text corpora. That is how it builds its entire capability. Early AI was built for single tricks, but large language models are true generalists. The exact same foundation can compose poetry, write code, or draft legal briefs. By 2026, the leading models will swallow images, text, and audio all at once. GPT-5, 5 Gemini Ultra 3 Claude 4, 2 and Llama 4 will process hundreds of thousands of tokens and link up into multi-step agents. The wall between open source and paid models has collapsed. NVIDIA's Nematron 3 Super and QN3, 6 now match enterprise APIs on every major benchmark. First, the system chops text into tiny subword fragments. 100 words instantly stretch into 150 tokens. Each fragment then transforms into a high-dimensional vector that maps pure mathematical meaning. Dozens of attention layers then step in. They measure how every single token relates to every other token and lock the whole sequence into context. The model calculates exact odds for every word in its vocabulary, then locks in the winner and repeats the process over and over. It builds complete responses one token at a time through pure autoregressive prediction. 2026 marks a major turning point as hybrid architectures take over. Engineers are finally blending different neural designs into single powerful models. Models like Nematron 3 Super alternate attention layers with state space Mamba 2 blocks to dramatically boost long context efficiency. This speed boost matters immensely now that agents and RAG pipelines run everything. We are watching a fundamental infrastructure change. Content teams now churn out blog posts, marketing copy, and scripts at full production speed. Meanwhile, developers watch full agent pipelines automatically write, test, and debug entire codebases. Simon Willison called out this exact moment in 2026 and said it will become undeniable that LLMs write good code. These systems now instantly summarize thousands of pages and extract structured data directly from messy, unstructured text. AI now powers conversational interfaces that handle customer support, tutoring, and personal assistance while truly understanding context. These tools also fuel creative collaboration by brainstorming and refining your writing to amplify human imagination. Data transformation takes messy, unstructured documents and forces them into clean, structured formats. This process quietly runs the entire backbone of modern data pipelines. Fine-tuning takes a pre-trained model and trains it on a specialized dataset to lock in exact behaviors. It is exactly like giving a generalist chef months of dedicated Italian training. Start by choosing a base model like Llama 4 or Mistral Large 2, since both fully support fine-tuning. Then prepare your dataset with hundreds to thousands of input-output examples tailored to your specific domain. Train the system using parameter-efficient methods like low RA or low-rank adaptation to keep costs manageable. Finally, evaluate the results to verify the model gained domain expertise without losing its general abilities. Knowledge graph maps facts and entities along with how they connect. Pair it with an LLM and you ground every answer in hard data. The model walks that map to reason through a problem and delivers a clean summary. That hybrid setup powers the entire enterprise AI space. It is the fastest way to learn. Start with the free tiers on ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Run open source models locally with Llama or LM Studio because QN3, 6 and Llama 4 both run on consumer hardware. Build a simple RAG pipeline that connects an LLM to your docs using Chroma or Qdrant. The barrier to entry has never been lower. What architectural trend defined LLM design in 2026? The answer is hybrid systems that blend attention layers with state space models like Mamba 2 and gated Delta Net. That combo unlocks serious long context efficiency. Pre-training builds general language abilities through massive initial training on diverse text. Fine-tuning is a second phase that specializes the model on a domain-specific dataset. What makes knowledge graphs valuable when paired with LLMs? They supply structured and verifiable facts and relationships that ground responses. This enables reasoning over real data rather than relying solely on training time knowledge. If that made it click, subscribe. We break down the frontier of tech and AI every day.